Welcome everyone once again to my YouTube channel. Today, we're back with another video, and in this one I'll be showing you a new VPN app that helps you get a stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That way, you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type Tunnel VPN. This VPN helps you get a fast and stable connection. From the search results, select Tunnel VPN, take note of the app name and its icon to make sure you pick the correct one. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap Install to download and add it to your device. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Before continuing, a quick reminder. On this channel, we share apps that help improve your internet experience and connection stability. Now, let's open the app. When you reach the home screen, you'll need to do a few simple settings so that the app can provide the best connection performance. The first step is to tap the three lines icon at the top of the screen. From the menu that appears, choose Update Resources. This will refresh the app's data and ensure it runs smoothly. Next, select a server that works best in your area. Tap the server box and, for this example, choose the USA server. Then, select your network type. Tap the network name box and, in the search bar, type UDP, because in this video, we're focusing on UDP connections. From the options that appear, select All Country UDP. This option supports all regions and usually works globally. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can pick a different network name from the list that matches your location. In case you ever run out of time while using the VPN, you can easily extend your session by tapping the Add Time button. Finally, to start your secure connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it has connected successfully. That's how you can get a stable and secure connection using Tunnel VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.